Good morning, everybody. Just loading up the truck with some camera gear. Another cold fall morning. And yeah, I was cleaning windows. Exciting stuff. And as I looked out the windows, I saw a squirrel eating berries in the front yard. So I, of course, got some shots for you guys. Then I was cleaning the windows in the bedroom. I looked out and there was two deer just eating the leaves along the edge of the lawn. So I filmed those for you guys. And it got me thinking, you know what, I know it's fall, it's kind of gray, but it shouldn't stop me from getting out there and looking for wildlife in the last of fall color. You know, I think there's still little bits here and there. Oh, there goes my squirrel, he's going up the tree. Anyway, so as I was saying, you know, it's just, I'm feeling like I need to be closer to nature. I want to grab my cameras and just go for a drive. Actually, we could go out to my property in Redbridge. I've had trail cameras out there for the last 2 months. And I'm pretty sure the batteries are dead, so maybe I should collect those. I think there's 4 of them on the trail running straight across our property. I was looking for, you know, the guy that comes in there and sneaks on the property. I was looking for him, but also wildlife, because we did get moose, deer, bear the previous 2 weeks that I had the cameras out. So could be anything on those. Let's just make today a nature day. So as always, guys, I take a minute before I actually take off. I use my cameras mostly in manual settings. And so before I go anywhere, I take the time to set up my cameras so that they're kind of whatever gray or sunny thing is going on out there, I'm ready to just grab it, turn it on, and shoot. Pays dividends to have your cameras ready to go. I just had to run back into the house. Don't forget an extra battery as well. There's nothing worse than getting out there, finding something great to film, and you're out of battery power. So, really gray skies now, but that's okay. We might get some beautiful shots. There's enough clouds here. It's like a thunderstorm rolling in pretty much. So I've changed my mind. We're not gonna go get the trail cameras. The other day when I drove out here to go to find the old cemetery, I took a wrong turn and I didn't have a camera with me, and there was a beautiful old barn. And it was about the same time, 9 o'clock in the morning. I know the lighting is different today, but I've got that image in my head that I missed the other day. So we're gonna go back and take a look, and maybe it might be worth a shot. Well, there it is. Look at that. Isn't that the most beautiful scene? Okay, so actually what I saw the other day, guys, was this. Under the power lines, across the highway, and the sun had beautifully lit up all those aspen or poplar trees in the background. So it was a beautiful shot the other day. You gotta look for these things. You gotta tease it out sometimes. Unfortunately, with no sun today, there's gonna be more than teasing going on to get that shot, but I'll take a couple. I'll show you guys what I get. It really was a little beautiful, tiny little spot that I just noticed as I was driving by in this big panoramic of highway and power lines and all this other crap. Dang, I wish the sun was out. Now we gotta head back down across the highway because the sun is out shining on that farm. I just got out to take a picture of the buggy down in the field here, and the old farmer that owns it, his son, he came down and he was talking to me for about 10 minutes. He owns the farm here that I was just pointing out to you guys, taking the pictures of. I'm gonna turn around real quick and see if I can get back down there while the sun is still shining. There's a shot, we just gotta take it. You know, I watch a lot of photography stuff online as well, right? I mean, I'm not new to this game. I've been doing this 25 years, but I still like to learn new tips and tricks and stay on top of technology. I was watching one the other day, and the guy said he only shoots during golden hour. And what that means is he only shoots an hour before sunset and an hour after sunrise. So he catches the golden rays of sun and long shadows and nice yellow warm light. And guys, if we did that, I wouldn't get any of the shots that I'm getting today. I mean, yes, the light is not optimal, but still to get out and get any shots is better than to sit at home and get no shots. So that's my advice to new photographers is forget golden hour, get your butt out there and work all day long. It's up to us as the photographer to find that light. If you're out in the middle of the afternoon and it's just way too bright, go in the forest. There will be lots of shadows, lots of varying light through the leaves and trees. You know, grab a macro lens. You can shoot macro any time of the day. So I think that was really poor advice that this well-known YouTuber is giving all the new folks, right? Only shoot in golden hour. Yeah, okay. And what are you supposed to do with the other 22 hours of the day? Also, guys, if you like any of the photos you see in this video or any other video, I do sell digital prints, okay? Digital only. We used to run the website and I had lots of problems with mailouts not getting to people, especially from one country to another. I'm in Canada, most of you guys are in the States, and it's just way easier for me to send you a digital copy for 30 bucks, any print you guys want on my website or on any of the videos if you see anything. So I do update the Facebook page all the time with new photos. But, you know, if you see anything in the videos, let me know. 30 bucks, and these are all 24 or 48 megapixel photos. So I quite often print 24 by 36, so 2 foot by 3 foot canvases, no problem with these digital prints. And I've had quite a few of you guys order them. All I need is you to, you know, do the PayPal thing, give me your email, and I can get you guys any print you want. So that's the only way that it works for me. Just, you know, when the mail messes up one printout and I'm only selling them for 30 bucks, but the mail out costs me 20 bucks, then I'm losing money, right? So I can't do that anymore. I don't do it. Or if you're ever in my neck of the woods, guys, come see me. I sell prints in person at a few offices in town and da-da-da-da-da. So come see me. Wow, look at the light down there, guys. Beautiful. Gonna take some photos of that for sure. And yes, I'm standing on the running boards of the truck. Sometimes you gotta do that, get a little height, right? You gotta work for that photo. Oh, wait a minute. Gotta go back. That was a picture. Interrupt my own filming. There was a picture there for sure. Just past the next generation of farmers. Guy out there pulling a plow with horses, team of horses and his dog. That was pretty cool. I got some good shots. All right, guys, I've had a pretty good run this morning. I've seen all kinds of great stuff, taken some awesome photos. You know, killed 3 hours here just enjoying the country, looking at the old buildings and machinery and the farmers. So I'm gonna go home and edit all of these. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the trip, and just remember, you don't need golden hour light to get out and take great photos. Hey, we finished just in time. Look at that. No chance of sunshine now, I don't think. I lied. Pouring rain, and I just got 2 more photos right there.